electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from CDAC Kolkata. So CDAC Kolkata is recruiting for the post of project manager and project engineers. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Okay. So let us see the qualification details, age details, experience, everything. Okay. So first post, which is project manager, there is one opening. And the qualification they are saying is first class B BTech or MCA in computer science, IT, electronics and communication, or electronics and instrumentation. Or you should be having ME, MTech or PhD. Okay. So this is the qualification details. Now the experiences, this is a project manager post. So it is a higher end post. So they are asking experience. So first class B BTech or MCA in this branches like computer science, IT, EZ or EI with 11 to 13 years of post-qualification experience. Or if you have ME MTech with 7 to 9 years of experience also, you are eligible to apply. Or if you have PhD, then you need to have 4 to 6 years of experience. Okay. Now talking about the duration of this job or this post is actually initially for a period of 1 year, but it is further extendable up to the duration of the project. Okay. Also, they have given regarding the details of the job. Now, the salary or the pay range is 64,000 to 2,20,000 will be the pay scale. Okay. So this is a higher end post and the salary is also very good. The age limit is, maximum age limit is 45 years. And the last date for applying for this post is April 9th. Okay. And also you can see the, along with every post, you can see the respective application form also. Okay. Now, that is the first post. Next post name is again a project manager, which is actually for a different session. The qualification they are saying is again same, first class B BTech MCA in computer science, IT, EC or EI or ME MTech or PhD. Okay, here also they are asking for 11 to 13 years of experience if you have B BTech. ME MTech requires 7 to 9 years of experience, and if you have PhD, then 4 to 6 years of experience only they are asking. Okay. The pay scale is also same and the age limit is also same. Next, which is the last post, which is for project engineer. Okay. So the project engineer, the qualification they are asking is first class B BTech or MCA with in these branches like computer science, IT, EC or EI. Or if you have post graduation in computer science, electronics, IT or computer applications, also you are eligible to apply. Okay. Now, if you have first class B BTech MCA, then you require only 1 to 3 years of experience. This is a project engineer post, so the experience level also they are asking is less. Okay, 1 to 3 years of experience you require. But if you have post graduation in computer science, electronics, IT or computer applications with 2 to 4 years of experience in cyber security awareness, training and investigation. Okay, so all these posts actually in relation with the cyber security, cyber applications and all. Okay, forensic knowledge, cyber application, cyber security development. This is the area for which they are recruiting. Okay. Now the pay scale is 31,000 to 1,35,000 is going to be the pay range. Maximum age limit is 37 years. And also along with this post, you can see a separate application form. So let us see the application procedure first. So what you have to do is you have to fill up the online application form first. Along with each post, we have seen that there is separate application forms. There is actually 3 posts for which they are recruiting, right? So along with every post, there is separate application form. You have to fill up the application form. There is an online application form. And after completely filling up the application form and submitting the application, what you have to do is you have to download it. You have to scan and mail to this mail ID. hrdkolkata@cdac.in. Okay. And this sending of the mail should be done on or before April 9th. That is the last date. Okay. So April 9th is the last date for applying. There is no fees for applying. That is an advantage for this recruitment. Okay. So that's all about the details of application procedure and fees. Now talking about the mode of selection, there is 2 stages of selection. First one is written test / there will be an interview also. So a written test plus interview is normally the selection procedure adopted by CDAC. Here they have called us, that is what they have written us. They'll be called for written test and or selection process. Selection process will be normally having written test plus interview. Okay, so that is going to be the selection process. Here also they have mentioned here that there will be interview also. Okay, so if you are going to appear for this, be ready to attend the written test and also the interview. Okay, so that is the mode of selection or selection process. Okay, so the other details we have already seen along with the post details also. So this is a recruitment from CDAG. A lot of people want videos on government organization recruitment. So here it is. I'm trying to bring up maximum recruitments as possible, especially for EC, EI and EEE branches. So if you found the video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.